abandoned. Spooky place too. A lot of nosy neighbors. There's some right there. It's probably looking over. Got some cover right here from the bushes. See, now they can't see me. There's an old window there. That's a very old window. I just got here, so I'll do some close-ups as I'm about to leave. Who knows, maybe I can get in. This is the garage. See, there's a house right there. Who knows if they're looking, or there's a house right here. Someone could be looking at it. No. No, I don't know. See if there's a way up there. Very old gutter leader. It's quite old school. I'd say it's probably 70 years old. Here's a window here. It's got vines totally encroaching it. Couldn't even get into that window if I wanted to. And then this one here, oh no, there's just no way. Whoa. It's a very old door. Nope, it's encased with vines. You know, I think it would open, but maybe it's just as well. See anything? See, here's a better view. So I'm pretty sure the whole neighborhood now knows I'm here, so time to do the close-ups, because I better get the hell out of here. I hear someone there. It's all broken. Yeah, this place has been abandoned for a very long time, and this might be the only glimpse you'll get. Very damp in there and cold. This could be an indication of how long ago it was abandoned. Cool window. Very old school porch. Wouldn't be a good idea to try that door, because there's people right there, right there, right there. Now I'm totally out in the open. But this is the place. This is one spooky place, and I tell you, if I get in, there is a way in. But it hasn't been abandoned very long. But definitely someone old lived here. So I guess I'll just kind of walk up to it. There's a thermometer. Very old.
What's up, boss?
Hey.
What's going on? Is this your house?
No, just taking a picture of it because it's gonna get torn down.
Oh, it is?
Most likely.
I think somebody owns it though.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool.
I think so. I don't think it's the bank. Because somebody comes and cuts the lawn every now and then.
Yeah. It's just so old. It's the oldest one in town. That's
Is it?
nothing's changed on it. You know, the windows.
What year was it made?
Probably about 1900, 1910, because it's got cinder blocks like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Those type of cinder blocks came into use around then.
Yeah, but they won't sell it. There's never been a foreclosure for sale sign, nothing.
No?
No. You live around here?
Yeah. I don't think anybody has used it in at least
that's
a
what I'm
decade.
saying. But nobody lives in it. Nobody uses it. But I see a guy every now and then he comes and cuts the grass.
Yeah, because it's
You get a fine.
you get a fine by the town.
Yeah, so he still owns it. That's what I'm saying. He still owns it. I don't know. He never posted a for sale sign.
Huh? Because I noticed this place like 30 years ago,
Yeah.
and it was the same way, like same type like this with the curtains and
Yeah, everything.
it's just
Well,
spooky.
if you go look in the side window, I looked one time. I was seeing wires hanging.
Wow.
Like I'm telling you, this shit is really. It's like abandoned, but it's not.
Maybe it's haunted.
This guy likes to say that on the corner. He thinks it's haunted because there's at least minimum 5-6 accidents a year right there on the corner.
Oh my God.
Minimum.
Wow.
Now look at the garage.
Yeah, and you look at the garage and it's like not even changed.
But it's decent.
It's the only garage like that left in town.
Yeah, but it's not that. But what I'm saying is not torn down, nothing. You'd expect of no maintenance that it'd be like, yeah.
Yeah, it's got like the it's got that window on top. That means maybe there's like a second floor.
I told him to buy it. You see if it's your clothes.
Yeah, right, bro. You know what this house is worth?
I tried shining the light in here. I mean the camera in here, but it's
So this house is probably worth like $320,000, $30,000.
nothing in there. I can see it.
Nothing.
All empty. And there's cold wind coming out. If you put your hand there, feel it.
Shit is broke. Look.
It's like a fan. If you put your hand there, it's
Yeah,
like
yeah, because the basement. How about up here? Look. The window's broken day too.
yeah, but nobody went in.
Imagine there's like some Hills Have Eyes shit in there. People.
Oh my god.
Imagine.
Well,
Holy shit. Nigga, the tree grew into the house. Look. Look at that door.
Facts.
You know what side? This is a nice property.